What did you do?
He played in the mud. He played in the mud.
Were you playing in the mud on the mommy's garden? Is that what you were doing?
Were you on the couch? Oh, Emerson, you were on the couch, weren't you? Oh, you're so bad. What were you doing on the couch?
Somebody ate my Christmas stickers. Pee-wee? Was it you? Lovey? Did you eat my Christmas stickers? Couldn't have been, huh?
And now to find this in the living room. How could this have happened? Ho? Do you know? Do you have any ideas?
Chase, what you got in your mouth, baby? Huh? What's in there? What you got in your mouth, puppy? Do you have something in your mouth, baby? You're a good boy. Yes, you are. You're a good boy. Oh, there you go. Oh, what was all that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 tater tots. 9 is the magic number today.
Did you eat the pizza? Did you eat the pizza? Look at me. Did you eat the pizza? Were you a naughty boy? Were you a naughty boy? I think you were.
Hey. Come here. What happened while I was gone today? What happened? Are you going to back out of here again? Where are you going? What happened while I was gone today? Where are you going?
Tammy, what are you doing?
Okay, we're following the trail of Gunther's obsession. Kleenex, 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 Kleenex. Oh, there he is.
Did you do this? Oh, he's not going to do it. Boomer. Did you do this? You think Daddy's going to protect you? What did you do?
What did you do, baby Jesus?
You ate baby Jesus, Gus. You're a bad boy. You're a bad boy.
Riley, cops are here. Cops are here. Okay, they're gone. They're gone. Good girl. Good.
Lexi? Who made this mess? Who did that?
Those were 2 new beanbags. Yeah. Susie last night. You are such a troublemaker. You are such a troublemaker. What are we gonna do with you?
What is this? What did you do? Pancake? What is this? What did you do? Naughty doggy. Naughty doggy. Pancake. Naughty doggy. Where you going? Come here. Come on. What? Naughty doggy.
What did you do, Sam? What did you do with the toes, Sam? Hmm? Did you chew up the hose?
What did you do, Tank? Hmm? Did you do that? Was you a bad boy? Did you chew Mama's door? Yep, I think you did. You've been a bad boy.
Daisy, look at me. Did you eat this? No? Daisy, did you eat this? Did you eat that? No? Did you pull this off? Huh? Did you pull this off the wall? Did you pull this off the wall? Huh? Did you do this? Huh?
I see an eyeball in there. Who's in there? Lily. Did you do this? Are you stuck? There's something emerging out of my mattress. Lily. So, Bo, I see that your collar is still on. You want to go out into the living room with me? Oh, what do we have here? Who, by chance, did this? And where is Winston? Who did this, Winston? Did you help? Or were you hiding in your cage the whole time? Did you help? Who did this, Bo? What'd you do? What'd you do? Are you sorry? Are you gonna clean up your mess? Oh, but of course not.
Who chewed the paintbrush? Who chewed the paintbrush? Shelby, did you chew this? Riley? Did you chew that? Is that you? Riley.